We would want Chinese investors to come. I met this morning very powerful Chinese investors, some already there and some who want to expand their investment. So I've met them. And I must say, I was very happy this morning with the quality of investors we have. So we will facilitate them. But the sectors we want Chinese investment is number one, textile, because Pakistan is one of the biggest producers of cotton. Manufacturing, IT and financial services. We would like your people to come and help us there. Physical and technological logistics, food processing and agriculture, tourism and hospitality. Pakistan is one of the most untapped tourist potential places in the world. We have, out of the 12 or 13 highest peaks, over 24,000 in the world, 6 are in Pakistan. Pakistan's northern areas are twice the size of Switzerland, and it has diversity, different types of mountains. It has desert, it has plains, it has 1,000 kilometers of sea coast. So it is very diverse, a country which is not untapped for tourism so far. Secondly, Pakistan is one of the most, for religious tourism, it is one of the most sought after place for Buddhism. It was one of the centers of Buddhism. Taxila was one of the centers of Buddhism. Then for Sikhism, then for Hinduism, and then even for Christians, it has the highest number of churches in a non-Muslim, in a non-Christian city. Plus, Pakistan is one of the, well, I can't say this here because China is one of the oldest civilizations in the world, but compared to the other countries in the world, Pakistan is one of the oldest countries with a 5,000 years old Indus Valley civilization. Housing, we are just starting on one of the most ambitious plans of housing in Pakistan. We have decided to build 5 million houses in 5 years. Pakistan has a huge shortage of houses. We have at least a demand of 10 million houses right now. So there's a big shortage. So we are trying to build in the next 5 years 5 million houses, and affordable houses for people who cannot buy expensive houses. So we would appreciate, we would invite Chinese investment there. And then oil and gas. In oil and gas, we have huge areas which we haven't had, because of policies that discouraged drilling, we haven't had much interest in there, because now we have initiated policies for companies to come and drill in oil and gas. And then, of course, we one of the biggest copper and gold reserves. We have big coal reserves in Pakistan, in Thar. So we already have Chinese companies in both, in gold as well as in coal.